Hi, and welcome back to Kimberly and Knit for Brains. I am so excited. I love this channel, and we've actually been getting a lot of really good comments and responses, so I'm a little bit of in the infantile stages of this, but I'm really having fun. So if you've watched some of our other videos, please like and subscribe. Click here down below so you make sure that you get all the updates in the videos. In addition to doing the knitting and crocheting, I also do some travel blogs with my husband, who is from England. We call him the Brit. And I also do some nail tutorials, but most of the time we just sit and we have fun doing some yarn and crochet work. So I was thinking that with the holiday gift giving time coming around, and let's be honest, that can really be any time of year. So it's not just for Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or anything coming up, but you could also be thinking about birthdays or Valentine's Day or weddings or anniversaries or any kind of fun stuff like that. So I'm going to do a gift giving guide with some tutorials on some of the things that I find are fast and easy and super fun. Doesn't take a lot of brain work. Just a regular old person who likes to crochet, sort of like me. All right, I'm not your expert. I've self-taught about 5 years now with maybe 6 with crochet, but self-taught. So I make mistakes and you make mistakes, but let's just do it together and have fun. So I found this kit. My son, who is 25, but he's a huge Friends fan, which, let's be honest, this show was not in syndication when I was young. So really it was sort of my show. Now, of course, it's in syndication and everybody thinks it's their show. But I did find this kit, and it's probably a little bit more on the let's start out with crocheting. But my son loves Friends, so I'm actually going to make this for him as kind of like a little bit of a stocking stuffer. I did check out this website, and it is Thunder Bay Press, and they have all kinds of crochet and knit kits. They've got the Golden Girls, they have Star Wars, they've got all of the vintage Christmas, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and the Abominable Snowman, and there's all kinds of really cute, kind of fun, vintagey, maybe kind of feel-good shows. So they've really kind of capitalized on this. I'm going to include the website below at the bottom of this video so you can go and check them out. I found this on Amazon, but I've seen them also at Joann's and at Michael's. So go to your favorite fabric or yarn store and pick one up for yourself. Amazon has them, the big A word. Anywhere you find Walmart, Target probably has them as well. But so check them out. So I was going to do a review on this kit. I'm going to open it up, take a look at the yarn stuff inside, and then I will do a continual, like a little bit of a series, just to kind of show you how these things work and what they look like when they're all done. I think the kit was right around $20, give or take a little bit. So not terrible. And apparently, supposedly, it says it's got everything included in here to create 13 projects inspired by your favorite show. So, and if you look closely, this is the Friendsgiving episode with the turkey and Monica being the chef. So we'll take a look. So here we go, opening up the kit. Put this over here. All right, first things first, yay, a really nice, looks like a very nicely printed instruction booklet. So there's patterns for Rachel and Ross. I'm assuming all the characters. The infamous coffee cup, of course. And let's see what else. We've got Monica with the turkey, with the glasses. So this should be fun. And it doesn't seem like it's going to take a lot of time, which I don't have a lot of time around the holidays, as I'm sure you don't as well. So within here, I have the yarn for the couch, and I believe some sweaters, so that's good. Some brown, which I presume is for mostly the hair, looks like it. Then we've got, looks like some blonde hair, some golden hair, so this is good. Now, this yarn, it's not like the best quality. Obviously it's acrylic, kind of scratchy, but hey, you know, 20 bucks, less than 20 bucks. I'm not going to worry about it. But if you're looking to find a kit, maybe you have someone in your life who wants to learn how to crochet, maybe rather than giving them all of the items that you crochet, maybe it's good just to kind of give them this whole kit and have them check it out and try it themselves. That could be an option. Here I've got some pipe cleaner, and it looks like some sewing thread needles and some yarn. So pretty comprehensive kit. I'm impressed. And another ball of yarn. Aha! And a handy dandy crochet hook, which is a 3.25 millimeter size, which apparently is what you're going to need for this kit. Oh, and I'm thinking this is the fuzz, the stuffing that's vacuum packed, because it's kind of weird, for all of the characters. So pretty comprehensive kit, I would have to say. All right, now I mean, it's really nice that they included this crochet hook. So yeah, this is a complete kit that you could give to somebody. I'm probably going to use my own crochet hook. I find that I really like the hooks that have a little bit of padding around them. And I have never ever had a problem with my hands or my wrists or anything like that hurting. And I really believe it's because I've always had really nice crochet hooks that have a good padding, right, support to hold your crochet hook with. So I'll probably end up using one of my own, but it's nice that they at least include you in one of those. My favorite hooks that I use are, I did spend a little bit of money, but I did get this tulip hook kit, and I love this one. Actually added. I really do love these crochet hooks. So people wonder if it's worth the money. I kind of feel like it is. If you're doing any amount of crochet or any kind of fiber work, you got to save your hands. And this is just a beautiful kit. I should probably review this, shouldn't I? Anyways, here is my 3.25 set hook. So I will go ahead and use this hook on this set. So all in all, am I impressed? For the money? Yeah, I think I'm pretty impressed with this kit. Like I said, it's a great little gift you can give to someone if they just want to learn how to crochet, or if you want to do it for themselves. My son really doesn't have much of a desire to learn how to crochet, so I'm going to do this for him. And I will do a follow-up that shows you all of the cute characters. So this is the Friends Crochet Kit. Includes all the materials to make 13 characters, and it is by a company called Thunder Bay Press. So thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like these videos and you want to see more, because I'll be bringing more to you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.